In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Outlook so you can improve your email writing, catch mistakes faster, and make your messages sound more polished before you hit send. This is a simple setup, and once it's done, Grammarly will work alongside Outlook to help you write with more confidence. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Grammarly desktop app download page. This is where you'll get the official desktop version of Grammarly, which is what you need for it to work with Outlook on your computer. Once the page loads, click Download Grammarly. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file to your device. After the download finishes, locate the downloaded installation file and click it to start the installation process. If your computer asks for permission, confirm that you want to install the app, then follow the on-screen prompts until the Grammarly desktop application is fully installed. Once installation is complete, open the Grammarly desktop app. When it launches, log into your Grammarly account using your email address or the sign-in method you normally use. This is important because Grammarly needs to connect to your account so it can load your settings and writing preferences. After you're signed in, keep the Grammarly desktop app running in the background. Now open Microsoft Outlook on your desktop. This can be the Outlook desktop application installed on Windows or Mac. Once Outlook is open, click inside the text box of a new email to start typing. As soon as you begin writing, Grammarly should automatically appear as a floating widget over the Outlook window. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment and make sure both Grammarly and Outlook are open at the same time. The widget will scan your writing and display suggestions for spelling, grammar, clarity, and tone. You can click on the Grammarly suggestions to review the corrections one by one and choose which ones to apply. This is especially useful when you want your emails to sound more professional before sending them. If you want to go a step further, click the AI bulb icon inside the Grammarly widget. This opens extra writing tools, including the paraphraser. From there, you can select Humanise to adjust your writing style and make your message sound more natural and conversational. That's a great option when your email feels too formal, too robotic, or just needs a better tone. You can keep typing in Outlook while Grammarly continues helping in real time, which makes the whole process fast and convenient. So now you know how to add Grammarly to Outlook, install the desktop app, sign in, and use the floating widget and AI tools to improve your emails as you write. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.